New star is born. Manipur's Linthoi Chanambam scripts history, becomes India's first ever judo world champion. Linthoi Chanambam from Manipur scripted history by becoming the first ever Indian to win gold at the Cadet World Championships 2022 in Sarajevo, Bosnia and Herzegovina, across any age and gender. The 15 years old judoka defeated Bianca Reis of Brazil in the women's 57 kg category on Friday to become India's first ever judo world champion. Congratulations, Linthoi Chanambam.